a person made a huge mistake and then mao na lang po na ang pananaw sa mga tao niya. All the good that that person has done, malimtan tungod kay nakahimo siya og mistake.
If you do not make mistakes or if you do not fail, how can you learn? In failure and in making mistakes, you create the highest version of you.
Now, there's always a silver lining no matter how big the mistake is. A big mistake can turn into a big lesson as well.
Upadayon ta, let's become a better version of ourselves and let's show them that we've become a better version of ourselves.
Welcome to Story and Kinabuhi, wherein we talk about life, career, relationships, finances, ug uban pa. So ang ato ang topic for this episode is being afraid to make mistakes. Nganong dapat dili ta mahadlok mo make mistakes, boss?
Ang mistakes or relate ni mo failure siguro. Mistake, failing, crucial kina siya sa paghulma sa to ang self, sa tong higher self ba. Okay, if you do not make mistakes or if you do not fail, how can you learn? Na yung uban mo ingon, we can learn from others. Unsa may tan-aw nimo ana?
Depending guro on what aspect ang kana. Kaya ako, I am very for ana nga idea nga you should learn from the mistakes of others in the aspect of finance. Nga naman, para nako ha, it is much better to learn from someone who lost 100,000 pesos because of a scam kaysa ikaw pa itong mawagtagan og 100,000 pesos. So in the aspect of finance, I am for that nga idea nga you should learn from others. But let's say how about sa relationships? Being afraid to make mistakes sa relationships. Unsa imong stand na?
Being afraid to make mistakes meaning di na nung kamo lihok. Na ay mga instances na ingana na tungod kay mahadlok ka, you are not going to make a move anymore. Which is very wrong. Okay? I think sa tanan siguro. So lisod kayo if sa relationships ingon ana ta. Relationships are all about discovery. So if you do not make an effort to discover kung asay hiyang, asay dili, kay tungod kay hadlok ka, basi masayop ka, you are jeopardizing the relationship. Just like anything else. So, kailangan yun na, bahalag mahadlok ta, we have to communicate it siguro, no, to our partner. When it comes to finances, food, lisod kayo, magkadagma-dagma ta ba? Anak ani, so sa finances, lahi po siya, it's best to learn from others, but don't be afraid po na masayop ka. Okay? In failure and in making mistakes, you create the highest version of you.
Kana, I strongly agree, ana. Let's say sa finances, once again, trader. Di ba? In trading, bisig unsa pa ka careful diha, bisag daghan na kay na-learn from other people losing their trades. Ikaw mismo po, makasuway po yung kag-pildi sa trade. And if ikaw, no, if naon tay opportunity for you nga makakwarta ka for trading, but mahadlok ka mo make og mistake sa trading, so mo na di na lang ka musuway, then that's usa sa mga examples nga instead unta mo grow ka, maka-experience ka, makakwarta ka, dili na noon kay mahadlok ka og mistake. And may saying sa finance, boss, nga kanang in finance, na saying you have to lose thousands in order for you to earn hundreds of thousands. Kana. So naa jud say mga aspects no nga ang kani ang ato ang gistoryaan karon, ma-apply siya. But what about sa career? Being afraid to make mistakes sa career. Akong ikasulti gyud ana, dapat gyud ka magsige ka sayop sa career. How about you, boss?
Ang mistake kung wala kay nakatuunan, mo nang nakabati din na. So di na learning experience. Kailangan kung masayop mo ganito mo fail ta, you learn from it. Because when you learn from your mistakes and your failures, you become the best version of yourself. Sa career, kung man tayo mabuhatan na, kailangan mo na itong experience tanan. It's a trial and error. But for you to achieve the best career or whatever you want in life sa imuhang pagpanarbaho, kailangan mong guna nimo masulayan. But kung hadlok ka mosulay, kay basing mo fail ka or basin dili ka mo lahotay din, how will you ever know, di ba? So ang gini mo pagkibaw, wata kibaw karon na hadlok lang ka, pero para dira giday ka. Since wala naman ka ni proceed, wala na to na opportunity. Sa next person na to siya. In our careers, kailangan we have to be brave. Whether mo succeed ta or dili. Okay? Because whether mo succeed ta or dili, it's a win. If you succeed, then good. But if you fail, it's a learning experience. But again, kailangan ka mo kat-on kung na-fail ka or you made a mistake. Because if not, you are like mura kang sirang plaka. Nagabalik-balik ra ba, 'di ba?
Yes. So siguro let's bring out another aspect or perspective. I'd like to mention the Sunday content ni Ongart.
Yeah.
No, there was a Sunday content ni Ongart ni Brother Joseph Sabello wherein nagkuha siya og bond paper, white bond paper, niya gibot nga niya og red nga tudlok ang tunga. So of course, if you show that to people, the first thing they will notice is the red dot nga naato nga sa bond paper. Okay, para kano, it's like this. It represents you kuno. The white bond paper, all the white you see is the goodness. Pero ang mabantayan gyud nato is ang small dot, which is a big mistake or a mistake kuno nga nahimo nimo. So kana boss, unsay imong thoughts na let's say a person made a huge mistake and then mao na lang pud na ang pananaw sa mga tao niya. All the good that that person has done, malimtan tungod kay nakahimo siya og mistake. Unsa man imong comment ana?
Your mistakes don't define you. Human beings mo good, ang tao mo good ba? Ang sayop mo good tanawon good. No matter how much good na imuhang nabuhat, no matter kung unsa pa na, ang tao mo ginay ang nature good. Tanawon nimo ang one thing na wala gid nimo nabuhat. Ang one thing despite the 99 other good things. Sadly, that is human nature. Na ang sayop ang tanawon, which is very sad. Kay kitang tanan masayop man ta. So kailangan lang gyud na you do not let it define you. Whatever mistake na imong nabuhat, kay there's always tomorrow na magiugma, no? To become a better version sa imong kagalingon, to correct everything. Because if you let it consume you, muna din ha, imong life will derail if you let it consume you.
I'm gonna share sa akong personal experience. The start of this year, or before the end of the year, last 2023, I made a downfall video.
Yeah.
Currently, it's gone na. Ako na siyang gidelete.
Ay mo na gidelete eh.
There was a conflict. That's why I deleted it. And that conflict was kay mistake to siya. I made a mistake in making ato nga video. So I'm sharing it karon so that you guys will also learn sa ko experience. I've made a mistake sa pag-imo ato nga video for the reason nga I did not ask permission.
Okay.
So it had a conflict. And pag una ato, I was very self-centered. Sa ako ang reply. So for context lang, no, I made a downfall video and it included other people. I did not ask permission, which brought out a kanang conflict. So moto, after making that video, the other party, nakuan yun siya, na-affected yun siya. And it was very wrong for me, kay number one, una, ako tong gi-justify. No, nga kanang, I thought nga na ako'y right, ra nga mo share ato, if di lang ko mag-mention of names, but no, sayap yun siya. No matter, kanang self-centered kay ko ato nga time. Kato, learning from a mistake, a lot of people ato, muna lang to ilang minumduman ako. Pero sige na lang, no? Ang ako ang mag-inkuha gyud ato is nasayop gyud ko ato, boss. I should have asked permission. Pero mo lagi, nahadlok na ko, boss. The succeeding weeks ato, nahadlok na ko mulihok. Nahadlok na ko basid I'll make another mistake na pod. So sa akong na-learn is we have to be very careful and we have to be sensitive pod, especially if it includes other people. Nahitabo naman gyud, it's out of my control na. The best I could do was of course to apologize and then to learn and move forward. Kaya nga ni mga boss, the reason why some di ay kay I can relate na day, it's because mahadlok sila nga what if makahimo na pog mistake na lain. And that's why diha naguro from apply, boss, kapay mong giingon nga dapat kanang dili nimo usbon. If imo na pong usbon, pili na siya learning experience. For those na nakahimo og dakong sayo, just like me, unsa man imong ika-advise ana nila or nako nga mahadlok na mo galaw-galaw na gayo tungod lang nakahimo sig dakong sayo.
Muna akong yung ganina ba na, kanina mong matao ba, pero may nalagi sayop tanawon. Don't let it consume you. Door. And to everyone listening, ayaw yun kay unsa man nimo pag move forward if ever kuning una na. We all make mistakes. The people judging you make mistakes. So, kung sa may nakalahi, di ba? Di ba? Ginuode ka. Di ba? Kung sa may nakalahi, di ba? So, to all those who are in similar situations na ingon ana, who are we to judge? Kitang tanan mo make man tag mistakes man. Muna'y nakapait magod sa tao or sa Pinoy, kaya ang sayo pragi ang tanawon. Which is, it hinders a lot of people to even move. Munang gitawag itong cancel culture na to na episode ba? Sayop gani kay cancel lang ka. Which is sayop man na siya. Di ba? You have to understand. Importante diri ang empathy, no? To everyone who has that kind of situation right now, always be kind, always empathize. Kay tao ra matantanan unless Ginoo ka. Okay? So we need to be nice. Kay aning kalibutan na umumawa kung kuan, will be kind, di ba? Or mabinutan ta. Sa itong mga isig ka tao din ha, kailangan gina to i-treat og tarong. No? Okay? Just put yourselves in the shoes of those people that you've canceled kaya nasayop sila. What if ikaw na po one day? I think you just have to empathize and be nice.
I agree sa Ana. No? For those na makarelate, no, of course, every single one of us, mangguro kay nakahimot tag big mistake sa atong kinabuhi. I made one, kato, my recent one. And makaingon sa Jugo Boss na there's always a silver lining no matter how big the mistake is. Kaya ako ang nakaton gyud ato is instead of being a self-centered person, try to be a selfless one. Although dako siya nga mistake, mo lagi a big mistake can turn into a big lesson as well. So for me, although it was kanang grabe siya kaguol kay ngana, but dako siya nga lesson. It makes me more careful, transition into becoming a selfless person ingana. So for those of you nga who've made a big mistake as well, sige na lang, no? We cannot change the past. Just like in chess, boss, no? Just like in chess, you cannot undo a move, but what you can do is to make a better next
move.
So, yan na siguro, sa katong content ni Brother Joseph Savelio, ganahan kay ko ato, boss, pagkakita na ko ato. Kay mo lagi, no matter what you do, unsa pa nakadaghan nga good things mo nabuhat, for every single mistake or every big mistake nimo mahimo, mo na lang na ma-trademark nimo. All we have to do is mo padayon lang gyapon ta and just continue. But ayaw tuos ba imong nahimo. And I think that's the good part. Would you agree, Ana, boss?
Yeah.
The learning experience.
The learning experience mo na importante. Again, don't let it weigh you down if you've made a mistake in the past. Sabto na nato no mga tao ingon na man, no? So the only thing that we need to do is padayon ta, let's become a better version of ourselves and let's show them that we've become a better version of ourselves. Diba?
Ganahan sa ko mo insert devos, we should absorb constructive criticism.
Yeah.
But we deflect opinions. Opinions nga way gamit, ha? So if naman gani mo criticize na to, constructive criticism when it comes to our mistakes, itudloan ta sa atong next move, mo na ato ang ipang-absorb. Ang dili na to ipang-absorb kay mga opinions. Okay, let's say if ikaw nasayop ka diha, dako kay imong nabuhat nga sayop, and then imong madawat is mga wa pagyoy hinungdan na mga tambag, ayaw na lang. Palapos na lang sa Tikas Dunggan. So ikaw, nasayop na ba ka? Please let us know sa comment section kung unsa imuhang kaagi or maybe if na kay questions or even insights lang. Feel free to type them in the comment section kay amo na siyang pambasahon. And don't forget to like, comment, and share sa among video karon. And we will see you on the next episode of Staryang Kinabuhi. Bye!